Changing your life the easy way. Well, the easy way is to receive the things that you want versus going after them to make them happen and figuring them out. So, how do we receive and how do we make our life easy to have the things that we want? Well, let me read this to you. For your life to manifest differently and easily, you got to change the dominant vibration that you are broadcasting to the law of attraction. To change the dominant vibration, you got to change your beliefs. And to change your beliefs, you got to change the way you think such that your thoughts are feeling good, high vibration thoughts. To do this, you need new information because the information we grew up with does not provide the viewpoint that allows us to choose good feeling thoughts at all times under any conditions easily. So that is what has to happen in order for the things that you want to manifest easily. And let me say this, when you really get how this works and you really live it, what you understand is the manifestations that you want, they're byproducts. They're byproducts of your natural good feeling place. And when you have the knowledge of life, that is your best, most solid good feeling because it tells you how good you are and how good this universe is to you and just all the goodness of life. It's about that. And when you know that, then you are solidly in that good feeling place. And it's unconditional. You don't need anything to be a certain way to feel good. You just know that you feel good because of who you are and how this universe is set up to work for you. And so you realize that this whole thing about trying to get things to manifest and when are they going to manifest and why haven't they manifest and what am I doing wrong? You see, we got or at least a lot of people do, have their are just looking at manifestation from a perspective that is just not in alignment with the way that the universe works. Because our objective is not to manifest things. In fact, we can't even manifest things. That's the law of attraction takes care of that piece of the creative process. We are supplying the energy to the law of attraction. It's the broadcast that we are sending to the law of attraction, that where the law of attraction decides what it hooks us up with, those high vibration details or those low vibration details. And so, the traditional way that humanity has been approaching life for so long is just a completely action-oriented kind of thing where we're going to apply, ourselves to figuring things out and making them happen, and it's all a physical thing. And then we've moved into, with the the introduction of the law of attraction and the awareness of the law of attraction and a vibration and manifestation and all that kind of thing. Then we got to thinking that, we can use the law of attraction to get what we want, or we can raise our vibration. But the thing is, we don't have to raise our vibration because it's naturally high. We just got to stop pulling it down. And the law of attraction can't hear your words. It only knows how you feel. And so many people have realized that that approach doesn't work either. So what is it that does work? Because if you don't have the information, the knowledge of life, it is hard to feel good all of the time. It's hard to unconditionally feel good. And it's unconditional feel good that is the key that opens the door, and all those things you want will just flow through your life. You're not trying to get them. You're not trying to manifest them. You're not trying to attract them. They are just showing up automatically as a byproduct because you are so much in a place of feeling good about yourself, feeling good about this universe, feeling good about the way that life works. And it's just how magical it's set up to work out for you. And again, once you have that so solidly within you, you just get up in the morning and you expect things to work out. You expect the details of the path that move you along to receiving your desires are just going to be so wonderful. And that's the way you approach your days and your life. So we're not trying to manifest things. We want to get our focus off manifesting, and we want to get our focus onto the thoughts that feel good, that cause us to feel good through our whole through our whole day, because we know how life works. And in order to achieve that, it's kind of like we got to go to school. We have to understand the creative process. The creative process tells us everything about life, including why we came here and what it's all about and who we are and all of our faculties and how we leverage all these elements of the creative process, right? Guaranteed source of feel-good thoughts about everything when you know all of these pieces of life. And what do we get? We grow up with physical reality. We know we have a physical body. We know there's a physical planet. We know we can think. But beyond that, we don't really grow up knowing much of any of this other stuff. And these are all the things that it takes to feel good, to be in those places to feel good about everything. So we want to, realize we have to spend some time to study and be very fluent and solid with the creative process. And you can get that from my books, or you can get it from any other books. It doesn't matter to me. I just like to see humanity get back into the swing of the true way we came here to live our life. It's just going to be good for it benefits everybody, all of us. We are all together in this. Again, my books will give you that knowledge of the creative process and how to use your thinking mind so that you can be in your natural high vibration state. But like I say, it doesn't matter if you use my books or other books. Just make sure you're getting the accurate knowledge of life. And if anybody knows it, it doesn't matter who talks about it. It could be me, it could be anybody else on this planet. But if they know the creative process and this accurate knowledge of life, it's going to sound like just the same things that I say. And right now, humanity has to hear that over and over and over again, because we've been living with faulty beliefs on this planet for a very, very long time. So we need lots of teachers, and we need lots of people giving the message. And we got to sort of program ourselves with this true knowledge of life, because we want high vibration to be we are naturally high vibration. We want to feel that. It's our being to be high vibration. We don't want to, it's not separate from us. Oh, how much high vibration, how much good feeling thoughts do I got to do to have a house manifest? Oh, well, maybe 600 hours. It's not like that. It's kind of funny, isn't it? It's 600 hours of feel good would give you a house manifesting. No, it's not like money, you see. It's not like money. We tend to think about energy like we think about money. If I have so much money, then I could get these things. Oh, if I had so much feel good, I could get these things. See, we're applying old thinking to new information. But we'll stop doing that, and we'll apply it correctly if we know this information. So I just want to be clear with everybody as I see some questions on the videos that I'm posting. And it's important that we don't skip this process. Think we can skip this and go right to receiving all of this by learning some technique or some strategy that's going to cause this stuff to flow into our life, because it's just not the way it works. We want to get back to our natural beingness of high vibration and think from the perspective of all of these elements of the creative process and how the creative process works. And when we do that, then all of our responses in the day are going to be positive to everything. It doesn't matter what it is. We will have positive responses to everything. And that's when we are living our high vibration life. So if you want see your life change and you want it to be the easy way, which is what you came for, and you want to receive the things that life has caused you to ask for, then really the first step is this. And if you got it, wonderful, right? If you got that then you can then start to use what you know to go through your day and change your old habits of negative feeling thoughts to positive feeling thoughts. And then you will clean up your energy, and then these things will start to flow into your life effortlessly. So again, education first. Just like if you went to school for anything, get your education, then you come out into the world and you start using it to get good at it. So that would be the second part. And then the third part is, well, then your life just flows as you do that thing. Okay, so that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.